this is build day 104. Let me up.
4x4x11. I know by 12.
I gotta get my leg right there, babe. It's the only place I... Ouch. Woo! Ay. Alright, look at all that sand, babe. Alright, it's build day 104, but I'm not gonna stay here this morning. I gotta go to San Jose. Here's the car ready to go. We're gonna go order some decking for the next story. Okay, peace out. Welcome to 62 Freedom. This is build day 104. And been at San Jose ordering the decking for the second story floor. And we were successful in ordering that. We had to go back again because he calculated the wrong way. We ended up paying an extra $1,000 or something like that. So, but we did get, it's cheaper than last time because we got the 8mm that we wanted to get. So that was successful. And then we ate lunch and then we did some grocery shopping there because they got a grocery store that has stuff that they don't have around there. That's what we were doing, and it's like 3:30 right now. So I just came down to check out the progress, and this is what's been going on. This is the recycled coco lumber that we had before, you know, and here's the new coco lumber that I ordered. That'd be the couple 8 feet ones tied together right there, but you know, they'll be supported by bamboo underneath, so, and then the whole thing will support the decking on top of it. And this is recycled over here and there, but on down, like you can tell, that's recycled right there, and that's brand new coco lumber right there. So they've been putting up the coco lumber to support that, and they raised this form up right here. I don't think this is up there. And then that was the one that they raised up, and they raised up yesterday. And I guess they poured that yesterday because that wall was not up like that yesterday. So that's why I know. Anyway, they're preparing this one to pour too, so we need to get some more board. Pretty soon that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy some more board for upstairs. And here's the new coco lumber in effect right here. There's still some spans to go because they didn't pour it yet. Once they can't put the coco lumber across there until the beam is poured. So they cannot do that. So that's the progress right there. And I'm in the way as usual. I'm gonna make my way through the muddy floor over to these steps. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, you wanna go up there too, huh? We're just alike, me and you. Oh yes, okay. Don't get scared. Camp doggy. You like the same spots I like. Boy. Yeah. It's quite a view. Nice. So, there's not many walls left. So I guess there would be railing here, probably, along these steps to keep the kids from falling off there. There'll be a rail there. Handrail. So the kiddies don't fall. Pow! And, you know, the big kids too. This is the guest bedroom where they're forming this wall right there. So, yeah. That's the storage over here. That's the storage wall. Woo. Thinking about climbing up that steps right there. I can't resist. I guess you just build a pair of steps and they will come. I just feel like I want to climb it now that it's there. I've been thinking about it. I'll just go to the last step up there and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, evidently, if you build some steps, I can't resist climbing them. So I'm gonna go check them out. And I ain't gonna be carrying no weight or anything like that. So just my own weight. I just be careful. It'll be all right. It's gonna be okay. All right, let's check them out. Let's look at them for safety purposes. Oh, they look super high, don't it? Let me check these. Yeah, that seems stable. Wait a minute, that leg's not even touching the ground right there. Oh, that's not the right one. That's the scaffolding leg right there. Well, there's a breathtaking view up there. It's pretty cool. Let's check it out. I think my butterflies got over, but it is a little shaky. Like, watch this. "62 to freedom." It's only climbing this for the sake of the channel. I pretty much wouldn't think about doing this. Woo. Look at that view. The steps are still wobbling a little bit. I think a truck went by and the steps wobble around. That's a nice view out there. That's Jesus right there. Marvin A, Marvin B. They're pouring a beam over there. The telltale cement sign. Yeah, they're pouring the beam down the side a little, or they're mixing for it. All right, that's enough highness. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty steep. Hey, Jesus! See, that's wobbling right there. It's all right, though. Bamboos. Huh? Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Woo. Of course, the bamboo cracked a little bit. It popped or something right there. I don't know if you heard that, but ooh, heard that one and that one. Whew. I think that's the wood that's clacking on the bamboo. Anyway, I did it. Okay. It's kind of like skydiving, you know. Actually, the first time I went skydiving was the first time I was ever in an airplane. And you know, I got a little fear of heights, but anyway, the scariest time when you skydive is your second jump, because then you're not guessing. You know what's gonna happen. For real. And then after that, it gets easier. The second time is the hardest for me, you know. And that was the first time I was ever in an airplane. I'll tell you a little story real quick. The two friends that went with me, nicknames were Stork and Snowflake. And we went to Suffolk drag strip where they jumped down there. And we were kind of wild back then, you know. I was only like 20. So we were real nervous when we got there, put it that way. And it's my first time in an airplane, but they've been in an airplane, so they jumped first. Well, first we got up there, and they went through training first the week before that. And then we went up there and we were in the airplane, and the jump master said, what's your name? He said, Snowflake. I said, you're first. What's your name? Stork. He said, man, these are some good flying names. You're second. I said, what's your nickname? And I didn't say anything. And Stork and Snowflake said, his nickname's Fry. He said, oh no, that's not that's not a good jumping name. I said, man, what? You know, I was still freaking out because we were off the ground. You know, we're up a couple thousand feet. I think we went up to like 3,000 feet or something like that. If I remember right, it was 2,800 feet, you know, you do your first static line jump from. So Snowflake went, Stork went, then he called me up there. They train you, the only thing they say is get out and go. He said, get out. And I got out there on the step and he said, go. And I looked at him, he said, you don't get your money back. So I jumped off of there. So that's the end of that story. And this is the beginning of this one. Wow. Awesome. They're doing some burning down there on the beach burn. They're burning up the junk that gets in front of your house all the time. They're probably gonna get ready to have some family down there or something, and they're cleaning up for a swim with family and stuff. That's probably what I'll do when somebody's coming down. I'll just clean the beach. Right here where you're gonna be walking at. So, no, we stuffed that cement up in here, but that's all that's left of what we had before. So that's 18, 19, 20, 24 bags. That's all we had left. And this is the order we just got, so. It was just the time. Anyway, I'm looking for that four 12-foot coco lumbers that they owe us from yesterday. They said they were going to deliver. so I'm gonna have to go and check one now. They said it was gonna be today, so I'm gonna make sure at least they don't forget it. So I talked to them. They're on their way with those 4, they owed me 4 boards from the delivery yesterday. They didn't have enough stock. So I guess they cut some more cocoa trees today, coconut trees. Anyway, the road widening is providing trees for them right now, I think. And they're on their way here now with those 4 boards. But those 4 boards, 2x4x12, cost like 25 bucks. I don't know, that probably ain't much in the US, but 25 bucks is a lot here. 288 pesos for 1 board. So, yeah. I want to make sure I get them because they need them. I mean, that's what they're doing right now. So I got the boards for next week. Therefore, now. They're biggie. They just, I guess they were busy today. They slipped their mind. It's okay though. All right, peace out. 62 pounds. Just see the concrete mixer spinning down there. See it? It's the sound of the house going together. So, it's down in there. Down in the weeds. Gonna be able to see the house better coming up soon, cause that's JoJo climbing over the top up there. Across probably one piece of bamboo. That's the steps right there I was climbing up earlier. The new steps. Coming up from the bank up to the 2nd story. Anyway, here comes my cocoa lumber. Right. It has arrived. That's all that cocoa lumber. We just took the last bit up there. So that's good. It's getting close to sunset on Nevadaville. But I don't like driving at night. So I'm gonna be heading out. I'm not gonna see the sunset here. Hopefully, one of these days soon, right around Christmas, it'll be a good Christmas present. I could get, wake up here, and I can have me a sunset drink right on my balcony.